and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can schedule a post. Unfortunately, you cannot schedule a post for your personal Facebook account. It can only be done for your business page. Scheduling a post means a text, a picture or a video has been scheduled to post after a certain period of time. You don't need to sit and post it by yourself. It will automatically be posted. Now, before I continue with my today's video, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now, without further ado, I'll be starting my today's video. Log into Facebook from any browser. From your left hand side, go to Pages, select your page. On your left hand side, click on Publishing Tools, and here you can see Published, Scheduled and Drafts. We also have Calendar over here at the top. You can go to Calendar and see the post that has been scheduled or already been published. Now go to Schedule. Now click on Schedule Post. Once you click on Schedule Post, the first pop-up that comes is to ask you the date and the time of the post that you want to publish. You can change the date and time from here in the future for your post to be published. Click on Save. Simultaneously, you can schedule post for your Instagram feed as well if your Instagram is connected with your Facebook. Here you can put any text or any hashtags if you wish. And under media, you can select a picture, a video, or you can also create videos. So let's select a picture. Here you can see the desktop view of the news feed. You can add more pictures. You can also add some more pictures. In between over here, you can customize your Facebook post. You can put any text here. And here you can see scheduled post. You also have a down arrow over here. Click on that. You can publish it immediately. You can also change the time from here. And you can also save it as draft. We'll be scheduling the post. And as you can see, it has been scheduled to post on 6th of Feb at 10:46. And that's how you schedule a post for your Facebook business page. I hope this was informative. Please let us know your thoughts and queries by commenting below. Give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.